Yoink. Ooh, shiny. Oh. Oh. Bubbers. Bubbers. Very nice. Meh. Just a freaking gentle. No. 3. Why? Great. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Neat. Oh, any more than one. That's only 2. Okay. There we go. Click, right? Okay. Oh, I screw that. Click. Click. One take. Oh, fuck. It's in. Just take my word for it. No, don't go back through. Gentle. There you go. This is a precision job for precise people. Done. Graphics card. Good. Done. Fortunately, I'm just kidding. Ready for the click. Click. Wobbly. That's a chunky boy right there. I'll talk about how long it took me to get this screw in this hole. Click. A 1, click, a 2, and 3. Beautiful. Flip. Cable management. Get in there. Get in there. No, I'll manage you all right. Smart fan, something over there. Get out of my way. Talk portable monitor. Ta-da. Portable monitor. Power, please. Power. 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 It has a red light, so let's just... Here. No. Switch. Flip. Here. Oh. Monitor. Ha! We did it, boys and girls. Thanks for watching.